I'm gonna say, my guess, that the population of Ghana is perhaps 8 million. 8 million. You said 2 million? 6 million. You said 6 million.
I did.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna go with 8 million. Let's find out. Hey Siri, what is the population of Ghana?
As of 2013, the population of Ghana was 25,904,598.
25 million. Well, I guess we were both very wrong, but you were a little more wrong than me. So I will accept this as a victory and choose your punishment here.
I'll have a spoonful of soy sauce.
Yeah. I'm going to have a piece of chocolate. Population of Ghana, 25 million. That's interesting. Yeah. Good luck with the soy sauce. I'll have this piece of delicious chocolate. Are you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Okay, here you go. Go for it.
Oh, that's nice.
The chocolate is very nice too.
It's very savory.
I'm glad you like it. All right, good. So the score is currently 2-1. 2-1. All right, the next question.
All right. How many colors of eyes are there?
How many colors of eyes are there?
Oh, wow.
Well, I'm going to think, okay. I'm going to go with 4.
I'm going to go with 32.
How many colors of eyes are there? You're going to say 32 different colors.
Yes, there are many, many shades.
I was thinking 4 because I'm thinking blue, green, brown, and hazel.
We'll see.
Okay.
I think I know this one.
You think you know this one?
Yes.
Oh, that's a good sentence. I think I've got this one. I think I've got this one. How could I say in Korean language, I think I've got this one?
이건 내가 알 것 같아요.
이건
내가 알 것 같아요.
알코올 같아요.
알 것 같아요.
알코올, no, 알코.
Yes.
이거 내가 알 것 같아요.
Yes.
이거 내가 알 것 같아요.
이건. Yes.
이건 내가 알 것 같아요.
Yes.
I think I've got this one. Okay, good. Well, let's find out. Hey, Siri. How many different... okay, I'll try again. Oh, I messed up the question. I'll try again. Hey, Siri.
Okay, I found this on the web for how many different go out of I'll catch or
Whoa.
this. Take a look. My web search.
Hey, Siri. How many colors of eyes are there? How many colors of eyes are there?
Okay, I found this on the web for how many colors of eyes are there.
Well,